So I'm sure you've heard by now that we are in a recession. And why is this interesting to you as an investor? Why should you care? Hey, I'm Val Njoroge, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Africa's Pocket. We're a personal finance company that teaches you how to manage your money so that you can live the life that you want. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about why recessions are such a big advantage for people who want to get in the investment game, and why this is the best time for you to get your money right so that you can take advantage of the recession that we're just in. So what's a recession? This is a period of negative GDP growth that's recorded for more than 2 quarters at a time. So we're officially in a recession. The last time that we had a global recession was in 2008 after the financial crisis that happened in the US. So typically, we say that recessions are a great time to invest because prices are low. Everything is much cheaper than it should be, whether it's shares in the stock market or interest rates in banks. So you're able to get credit for cheaper, and therefore you're able to buy things with a lower cost of capital. Also, things like real estate will be cheaper. You'll find that a lot of people who had started doing real estate projects now maybe are not able to finish. So you're able to buy up assets for much, much cheaper than they would have been. So that's why this is a great time to be sort of getting ready for an investment. However, in order to take advantage of that, you need to have been ready. You need to have been accumulating money, and you need to have the cash ready. So a really good example of this investing principle is right now Berkshire Hathaway, which is the investment company that Warren Buffett owns a majority of, has over $100 billion in cash. And when I say cash, of course, they're putting it into something like a mutual fund or a money market fund where they're still earning interest, a small amount of interest, but it's not invested in the long term. They're able to liquidate that asset and get money and buy any other asset that they'd want to. And what does that tell us? That they're waiting for an opportunity to buy up companies that maybe aren't able to survive through this pandemic. We've seen Amazon just bought JCPenney for pennies on the dollar, as in they were able to get such a huge discount that just by having the brand around them, they've made money, they've made an upside. And of course, this is like the big guys, the big leagues. But what do you do when you have your million bob or your 100,000 shillings? There's still a huge opportunity, whether it's in the stock market, whether it's in real estate, whether it's in being able to get access to credit at a cheaper price. There's a big opportunity waiting for us. And what you want to be doing is thinking about, how can I restructure my finances so that I have a little bit of extra savings so that when this opportunity does come up, I'm able to grab it. You know, for example, if some of the top shares in the country go down in price, you want to be able to have enough money to be able to access that opportunity. So that's why we say this is really the best time for you to be getting your money right, for you to be understanding where there are pockets of savings that you can take advantage of, that you can accumulate that money and therefore be able to take advantage of some of the investment opportunities that are going to come up. So if you haven't already, check out our courses, check out our online course, Your Roadmap to Wealth. We talk extensively about restructuring your finances to find opportunities to save. We talk extensively about how to accumulate money as you wait for larger investment opportunities. And then finally, we talk a lot about how to assess investment opportunities so that you know what's a good idea and what isn't. So I hope that you're ready as an investor. You're ready for this gold rush that we might be going into. I think gold rush is not a great word, but you understand what I mean. We have an opportunity ahead of us that's coming, and having cash is one of the best ways to prepare for it. Thank you.